Maywon Sundepot is one of the top quality brands of solar panel. It's located in a high-tech economic zone of Jiangyin City. Sundepot solar panels production line built up in 2021 with a top level of intelligence and automation. Has achieved 1 gigawatt production capacity per year, including solar cells cutting, soldering, laminating, framing, testing, and packing processes. Sundepot Solar's production lines mainly are made in China, including laser cutting machines, single panels, multi-panels, e-air testers, multi-busbar soldering machines, automated plating machines, double glass drying machines, double layers and double boxes laminating machines, auto framing machines, insulation withstand voltage testers, auto leveling machines, and etc. by 46 lines in total, and all of these lines are automatically controlled by software in the level of 95.65%. Here is a multi-busbar soldering machine line where all the cells are taken by the mechanical arms onto heating platforms that transport the cells to infrared soldering process. After soldering process, the cells will be series connected and divided into qualified or not by RI testing process. The qualified cells series will be delivered into next process. Now we can see number DH180H type of multifunctional busbar soldering machine, the most advanced solar cells soldering machine nowadays in the world, who can achieve series and parallel connection automatically in an utmost efficiency. Here you can see our double layers and double boxes laminating machine, which are controlled by infrared sensors during solar panel laminating process. Achieve feeding solar panels in and out automatically. The most conspicuous advantage is its good vacuum booster and heat control. After lamination, the solar panel will be automatically delivered into a framing process, which will keep the solar panels stronger and better working. The aluminum frames can make the solar panel easily installed. Our framing machine has good position and ability and suitable different aluminum frame size. This is our LTS100 laser cutting machine for solar cells, who can cut the solar cell half equally and automatically. It can cut the cells by 10,000 pieces in 1 hour. As you can see, most of our production lines are controlled automatically by software. We can achieve many advantages in aspects of improving yield rate by 5%, achieving cost down, and flexible production. The automatic production control can help us balance and material supplying and product yield, achieve automatically packing process, and intelligent traceback on quality. Maywon Sundepot Solar has achieved all our production lines automatically collect, filter, and analyze the yield testing data and mass system during the whole production period to avoid all kinds of missing and manpower, with the result that our qualification rate to be 99.8%. As solar panels are leveled by barcodes in the workshop, the barcode will identify every solar panel status, including its type, date, lot, and other aspects. We stick the barcode on every solar panel's glass surface, backsheet surface, and aluminum frame side. A barcode makes an accurate production status for package, and stocking processes. Maywon Sundepot Solar's production orders will be well controlled and transported by mass system and ERP system, and then all the reproduction processes are seen by production electronic board in workshops. Most of the production stages will be demonstrated by electronic board, especially in case of defects occur. The red mark will be seen on board, and the operator will be alarmed by horns in the shop. The mass and ERP system will check and analyze in case of any defect occur, and the defective solar panel will be automatically traced back either in the stocking process or producing process. Our workshop is made at a constant temperature and humidity environmental standard, so the whole working area is divided into constant temperature and dust-free zone, dust-free zone and general clean zone. The constant temperature and dust-free zone is equipped by central air conditioning system. Maywon Sundepot commits itself to promoting the technical innovation and business transformation of energy and environmental industries, and makes contribution to the sustainable social and economic development. To make sky blue and light better in Maywon Sundepot's ultimate mission, Maywon Sundepot deems itself obligated to bring benefit to our next generation via collaborative development of renewable energy, eco-environmental development, and industrial park construction. Maywon Sundepot is always devoted to the promotion of low carbon and green development.